Okay, today I'm going to demonstrate how to harvest potatoes, and I planted these fingerling potatoes about 90 days ago and they are ready for harvest. So you're just going to lightly pull up the greenery or the foliage above ground, and you can see, the potatoes are still attached here, and you can just lightly toss them into a bowl or a bucket, whatever you have there to gather, and then just use your hands lightly to kind of go down into the soil and see if there's more further down and around. And then you'll just keep doing the same thing, pulling up. And we got some nice ones, nice size, nice color. This is the crimson fingerling potatoes. And you'll just do the same thing all the way down until you've harvested them all.